Teacher's Guide to Sir Prance-Alot. Okay, it's going to be played cheerfully, which means, oh, sorry, I bumped that. It's all moving. Fairly quickly. There's lava keys in here. That means staccatos, played with just a little pluck of the finger. And there's a lift-off. Now, the lift-off is mostly going to happen in the left hand. I see a couple big ones in the right hand, too. But on the first line, it's the left hand. All right, let's just start. It's going to start 4 counts the measure, staccatos. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now 2 eighth notes. 1 and 2, 3, 4. Now on this third measure, you have to play this number. No, it's the number 3 right here. A with this at the same time. And remember, this A is going to hold while this one plays staccato. Now down to F. There's a lift off right there. Because in the left hand, it's here, here, and there's a slur over it. And at the end of the slur, we lift off. Next line. Lift off, and the left hand takes over. And essentially they switch places. Then the right hand's going to play the long notes while the left hand plays that staccato pattern in the left hand. Okay, so now you've got a long note and lift off in one hand while you're doing staccato in the other, and then it switches. So good luck with that.